If your colds usually drag out, like you're coughing, you're congested, your chest is heavy, and you just cannot shake it, you are literally wasting your time. You can pound all of the cough syrup and allergy meds that you want, but it's not going to help you clear out the junk. They kind of just mask it. These Why Not Natural Mullein Drops, these are an herbal chest reset. I just put one of these droppers into water and it clears out all of that leftover mucus and congestion. The difference, this supports your body during cold season so that you can bounce back feeling clearer and lighter. Or you can just keep coughing for weeks while everybody else is better. It's up to you. It's in the cart. Do not wait until you're 3 weeks into the same cold.